Hi, welcome to Vegan Method. This is my tofu Thai red curry. First thing I have is a 270 gram block of tofu. I've drained it and I've put it in a tofu press to get as much liquid out as possible. I'm just going to cut it into small rectangles and then I'm going to make a marinade and put the tofu in the marinade. For the marinade, I have 2 teaspoons of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of red curry paste. I'm going to mix this thoroughly and then I'm going to put it on top of the tofu and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours to marinate. Once the marinade is mixed thoroughly, you need to cover the tofu on all sides, and if you have time, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours to soak in. For the fresh ingredients, we've got 50 grams of sugar snap peas, 50 grams of red peppers, 30 grams of onion, 45 grams of oyster mushrooms, 1 garlic clove crushed, we've got some coconut cream, some more Thai red curry paste and some ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger if you have it. So I need the juice of half a lime. For this meal I'm serving it with rice, so I have 100 grams of white rice that's brought to the boil and then simmered. Meanwhile I have a frying pan that is heating up on the stove. Once your frying pan is hot enough, we add the tofu and make sure it's cooked on all sides, and then we can be ready in a few minutes to add the fresh ingredients. Now we need to add the onions and the garlic. The pan is on a medium temperature so we do not burn the onions and garlic, and then we give it a good stir. Once the onion and garlic has softened a little, we can add the sugar snap peas and the red peppers. Once again, giving it a stir to make sure everything gets cooked. Everything is cooking nicely, it's all got a good colour, there's nothing burnt, and we can add the oyster mushrooms to the pan. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of red curry paste, and then we're going to add the whole can of the coconut cream. You can use coconut milk or coconut cream, both work well in this recipe. The coconut cream is added, we can give it a good mix. The aromas that are coming out of the pan at this point are amazing, it smells delicious. Now I'm going to add the juice of half a lime. This is just to lift it even further. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of ginger powder, or if you have fresh ginger, you can use that. And this is the last mix we need to give before we let it simmer, and it'll be ready to serve. This recipe serves 2 portions, so I have half of the rice in a bowl, and I'm going to add half of the Thai red curry with it, and then serve. And that's my recipe for a Thai red curry. It's very nutritious, easy to make, and tastes absolutely amazing. Once again, thanks very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, or leave comments below.